Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the PracticeHub app inside your agency. So let's get the ball rolling. First and foremost, you go at App Marketplace to search for the app, and then you come here at the install, and then you select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed in. So let's go for sub account 1 and then allow install. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom mailing URL. So you click here, make sure it's copied, and you switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. So let's come here at the settings and then custom menu link. Go create new. We select an icon for our custom menu link. So take this one here. We can name it Practice Hub custom menu link. We paste the custom menu link URL. Then we copy it. There you go. We select the account. Let's go for sub account 1. Users, and we save. Perfect. We just created our custom menu. So the next step is to switch to the sub account in order to set up the tool. So let's do it right away. Let's scroll down. There you go. Practice Hub custom menu link for practice. There you go. Click on it. Perfect. This is the new interface. So we got the documentation, tutorials, setup, and support. At the level of documentation, if you click on it, you will open a new page showing all the instructions, all the steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the tool. At the level of tutorials, you have the smart UI guide that's going to show you how to get all the credentials, the setup video. At the level of setup, you can check the status of the app. If it's not connected, you can come here at the start setup and you connect the app. And finally, you have the support. You can create a ticket or book a call with our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.